This 2016 Dutchmen Voltage 3990 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 43 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 7, air conditioning, water heater, refrigerator, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, smoke detector, LP detector, TV, auxiliary battery, DVD player, and 160 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Dutchmen Voltage 3990 is 16,337 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.